I specialize in signal processing, developing algorithms for communications, and sensing systems. I've been using IEEE Xplore on a regular basis for several years now. Recently, I was working on a system where I had to measure multipath time delays. A quick search on Xplore landed me to papers I needed to generate assumptions about how different signals are reflected from various objects based on the Kramer-Rao bounds. I also found extensive literature on how to use beamforming to isolate distinct propagation paths. From this information, I put together a white paper that helped our company win several $100,000 worth of work. When I first start working on a problem, I read the abstracts and look at who the key researchers are for that topic. Journals get me to within 2 to 3 years of state-of-the-art. Conference proceedings get me to within 6 months. Sometimes I'll discover the genealogy of a concept. I'll find the original thinking in a conference paper and then articles in the transactions derived from this idea. I can also see how certain ideas are being applied. The papers often provide equations I can write in MATLAB, saving me hours of derivation when building an algorithm. Who would have expected that harmonic radar is primarily used for studying the movement of insects and other small animals? A few years ago, I pulled up a paper on removing noise from speech without creating those bubbly-sounding artifacts. My colleague and I improved upon the algorithm, and we were granted a patent for that improvement. I think that's where I get the most satisfaction, when I start to see how an idea can be used for a new application.